Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Kardash. And the Heavenly Father, the true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Shem, a name from Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Lashwan Kardash, the Holy Tongue. And I say Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim and Wa'akwaf. And I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post. And this is as of February the 8th, 2024, as updated February the 8th, 2024 from the JerusalemPost.com, and it reads, Swarm of suicide drones attack U.S. Army base in Syria in retaliation for Baghdad airstrike. It says the attack has been linked to the retaliatory U.S. airstrikes against the Iranian aligned groups in their position. Explosions have been reported near the U.S. Army base in Syria by the Hezbollah-affiliated Lebanese media network Al-Madin on Wednesday. The American base in the Al-Awra oil field in the Kurdish-controlled region of northeastern Syria, close to the city of Izir Zora. American troops has been present here since at least 2017. It says the base was attacked by a swarm of suicide drones, according to the Egyptian base Banyan Gate News, and is the second attack of its kind. It's this week against the U.S. bases in the region. The attack has been linked to the retaliatory U.S. airstrike against the Iranian aligned groups in their positions by Arab media reports. It says the American airstrike was a response to the 3 American service members killed at a Jordan base in Jordan near the Syrian border earlier this week. It says a retaliating to retaliation, I meant to say. It says today's attack comes only a few hours after a suspected American assassination of the Kataib Hezbollah commander in Baghdad. Kataib Hezbollah has been closely involved in the current rounds of escalations with multiple attacks against the U.S. positions in the Middle East. They are suspected to have been directly behind the deadly attack in Jordan. Kataib Hezbollah re-announced attacks on American bases after it was revealed that they have killed 3 U.S. service members. They have been accused of attacking U.S. bases in coordination with other Iran-aligned forces such as the Yemen Houthis. Kataib Hezbollah is one of the several groups operating in correlation to support Iranian foreign policy's goals in Iraq. To operate under the collective title of the Islamic resistance in Iraq, with the collective groups have launched multiple drone attacks on Israel, as well as the American bases in Iraq and Syria. The Islamic resistance of Iraq has been closely linked to the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, which was targeted in American airstrikes. It's like 3 verse 9. Let's see.
So they will not
And this is the prophet Joel 3 verse 9. Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war. Wake up the mighty man. Let all the men of war draw near. Let them come in. Let them come up, Salakia. Of the prophet Joel 3 verse 10. Beat your plowshares and the swords and the pony hooks into spears, and let the weak say I'm strong. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent escalations heating over there in Western Asia and throughout Iraq and throughout Syria. As it says again, swarm of suicide drones attack U.S. Army base in Syria in retaliation for Baghdad airstrike, which I believe it killed one of the commanding generals over there in which he's affiliated with the Iranian-backed group, which that did the current attacks that have been targeting the United States Army bases over there in Iraq and Syria. So due to that airstrike, the United States did on that retaliatory attack in self-defense, that's what the United States called it, when their 3 service members was killed in that drone attack over the borders of Jordan/Syria. So tensions are heating up between both sides, even though the United States look at that as a self-defense. But expect to see the increasing escalations are heating up from the Iranian-backed group side and the Iranian proxy groups over there in Iraq and Syria. And, expect to see more attacks increasing against the United States armies and throughout Iraq and Syria from the pro-Iranian groups, while the United States do more increasing self-defense attacks over there in Iraq and Syria. So tensions are heating up between both sides over there in Western Asia, throughout Iraq and Syria, and throughout over there in the Red Sea, and throughout Western Asia. So with that, once again, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post. As it says again, as of February the 8th, 2024, and it says again, swarms of suicide drone attacks U.S. Army base in Syria in retaliation for Baghdad airstrike. So with that, once again, like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. In the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Till next time, I will say Shalom.